Are you prepared for an urban survival scenario? The city, a mesh of concrete and steel, presents its own set of unique survival challenges. Unlike the wilderness, urban environments demand a different set of tools and skills to navigate the complexities of city living. From dealing with power outages to navigating crowded areas or ensuring personal safety amidst chaos, understanding these differences is key to effective urban preparedness. This video will explore the essential gear that every urban prepper needs, distinguishing between multi-purpose items effective in any environment and specialized tools crucial for navigating the urban jungle. So with that in mind, let's delve into the essentials that every city prepper needs. Out here in the wild, I rely on my trusty multi-tool for countless tasks. From fixing gear to preparing food, it's my go-to companion. It's no different in the urban jungle. Whether you're at work or on the go, a multi-tool can be a lifesaver. A good multi-tool is like an extension of your hand, always ready to tackle a challenge. It's compact, versatile, and incredibly handy. Look for a multi-tool that includes a sharp knife, a sturdy saw, a pair of pliers, screwdrivers in various sizes, and even a file. Each component serves a unique purpose. Trust me, you never know when you might need to cut through a rope, whether it's for camping or an emergency. Tighten a loose screw on a vital piece of equipment, ensuring everything stays in working order. Or even saw through a small branch to clear a path. It's perfect for quick fixes and unexpected obstacles. Practice using all the different tools so you're familiar with them when the pressure is on. Familiarity breeds efficiency, and don't forget to keep it sharp. Regular maintenance is key to its longevity. A dull blade is more dangerous than a sharp one. Always ensure your tools are in top condition. A multi-tool is an investment in your preparedness. It's a small package with big potential, ready to assist you in any situation. In the wilderness, darkness is a constant companion. But in the concrete jungle, darkness can be even more disorienting and dangerous. That's why a reliable, high-lumen LED flashlight is non-negotiable in your urban survival kit. You need something powerful, durable, and weatherproof. Look for a flashlight with multiple brightness settings, a strobe function for signaling, and a long battery life. Imagine navigating a pitch-black building during a power outage, or signaling for help when stranded. Consider a flashlight that can be charged via a hand crank or solar power. Your ability to see and be seen could be the difference between safety and danger in an urban survival scenario. In today's world, our reliance on electronic devices is undeniable. And in an urban survival scenario, these devices can become your lifeline to the outside world. But what happens when the power goes out? That's where portable power banks become essential. A reliable power bank ensures that you can keep your phone, GPS, or even a small radio charged and operational. Look for power banks with a high capacity, multiple charging ports, and fast charging capabilities. Choose a power bank that's compact and lightweight enough to carry in your everyday bag or backpack. And consider one with solar charging capabilities as a backup option for when you're on the move. In the urban jungle, staying connected can be the key to staying safe and informed. Now, let's talk about personal safety. In the unpredictable environment of the city, it's crucial to be prepared for potential threats. The hustle and bustle can sometimes mask dangers that lurk in the shadows. While I always advocate for avoiding confrontation whenever possible, there are times when self-defense becomes necessary. It's important to recognize when to walk away and when to stand your ground. Tactical pens and pepper spray are two tools that can provide a crucial advantage in a dangerous situation. These items are discreet yet effective, making them ideal for everyday carry. A tactical pen with its robust construction can be used for self-defense if needed, but it's also a reliable writing instrument for everyday use. Its dual functionality makes it a practical choice for anyone. Pepper spray, when used responsibly and legally, can deter an attacker and give you valuable seconds to escape a dangerous encounter. It's a non-lethal option that can be easily carried in a pocket or purse. Always remember to familiarize yourself with local laws regarding the use and carrying of self-defense tools. Different regions have different regulations, and it's crucial to stay informed. Your safety is paramount, and being prepared can make all the difference. Equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge to navigate the urban landscape confidently and securely. In the urban jungle, danger can lurk around any corner. and sometimes escape is your best option. That's why I always recommend carrying a few essential escape tools. A window breaker and a seatbelt cutter are two small but mighty tools that can be lifesavers in emergencies. Imagine being trapped in a car after an accident or finding yourself stuck in a high-rise building during a fire. These tools can be the difference between life and death. Make sure you choose tools made from high-quality materials and familiarize yourself with their use. In a crisis, every second counts, and having these tools readily available can give you the edge you need to survive. Fresh air is a given, but in the concrete jungle, clean air can be a luxury during a crisis. Fires, chemical spills, or even a simple dust storm can quickly turn the air around you toxic. That's why N95 masks or respirators are essential components of your urban survival kit. These masks are designed to filter out harmful particles in the air, protecting your lungs from smoke, dust, debris, and even airborne viruses. Make sure you choose masks that are NIOSH approved and fit snugly on your face. It's also a good idea to have multiple masks on hand for yourself and your family members. Be prepared and breathe easy knowing you have the right gear to protect yourself and your loved ones. I've learned the hard way that your hands are your most valuable tools. The same goes for navigating the urban jungle. You need to protect them at all costs. That's where a good pair of sturdy gloves comes in. Look for gloves that are durable, puncture-resistant, and provide a good grip, even in wet conditions. In an urban survival situation, you'll likely encounter broken glass, debris, and rough surfaces. Gloves act as a barrier, protecting your hands from cuts, scrapes, and potential infections. They might seem like a small detail, but they can make a world of difference when it comes to your safety and well-being. I rely on my compass and map to navigate the terrain, but in the concrete jungle, a detailed city map is your guide. Don't rely solely on your phone's GPS. In an emergency, batteries die, signals get lost, and technology can fail. A physical map, on the other hand, is always there for you. Study your city map, familiarize yourself with different routes, and identify potential safe zones. Knowledge is power, and in an urban survival scenario, knowing your way around can be the difference between life and death. Use it wisely. Communication can be the difference between life and death. And in the urban jungle, it's no different. While mobile phones are great, they're reliant on cell towers that can be easily overloaded or damaged in an emergency. That's why two-way radios are an essential part of your urban survival kit. These reliable devices operate independently of cell towers, allowing you to communicate with family members or other survivors, even when phone lines are down. Look for radios with a long range, weatherproof construction, and multiple channels. Choose radios with long battery life or consider investing in models with hand crank or solar charging options. Invest in a good pair of two-way radios and stay connected when it matters most. In the wild, I'm constantly searching for sources of clean water and sustenance. In an urban survival scenario, access to these essentials can be equally challenging. That's why a water filtration bottle and emergency food rations are crucial components of your urban survival kit. A water filtration bottle allows you to turn potentially contaminated water sources into safe drinking water. Look for bottles with advanced filtration systems that remove bacteria, viruses, and other harmful contaminants. Emergency food rations are designed to provide essential calories and nutrients in a compact and lightweight package. Choose rations that are non-perishable, have a long shelf life, and cater to dietary needs or allergies. Be prepared and pack enough to sustain yourself and your family for at least 72 hours. Being prepared for an urban survival scenario is about understanding the unique challenges of city living and equipping yourself accordingly. Urban environments present a different set of obstacles compared to rural or wilderness settings, and your preparedness plan should reflect that. We've covered the essentials of urban readiness, from everyday carry items like multi-tools and flashlights, which are indispensable for handling a variety of situations you might encounter daily, to urban-specific gear like escape tools, which can be crucial for getting out of buildings or vehicles in an emergency, and air quality management devices. These are particularly important in cities where pollution levels can spike unexpectedly, affecting your health and safety. We've emphasized the importance of navigation and communication tools, particularly detailed city maps, which can help you find your way if digital maps fail. and two-way radios that can be lifesavers when cellular networks are overloaded. Reliable communication is key in any emergency. Remember, in an urban setting, you also need to consider emergency food and water supplies like water filtration bottles, which ensure you have access to clean drinking water, and compact high-energy food rations. These can sustain you when access to regular food sources is disrupted. Each piece of gear has its own role to play in ensuring your safety and resilience in any urban survival scenario. Being well prepared can make all the difference. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insightful content on urban prepping and survival strategies. Your support helps us bring you more valuable information.